Welcome back to this additional special tutorial brought to you by the Casablanca Expert Chet Davis. That's me. Today I want to show you one of the neat features in Arabesk 4. Now this is a cool way to make an extra what I call utility button in your DVD menu for your audiences. Now this will work on a Casablanca editor running either Smart Edit operating system or the Bogart OS operating system, as long as you're using DVD Arabesk 4 authoring software. Now I've already created a film, as you can see here, and I have 4 different chapters. Let's go ahead and look at the chapter menu I've created. So it's a chapter menu for a spring music celebration at my son's elementary school, and you can see by clicking on any one of these buttons the audience would go to the content for kindergarten, first grade, second grade, or third grade performances. So it's a way to let them navigate to go directly to the content that they're most interested in. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create an additional button over here that lets them go back to the main menu. And this is a capability in the Arabesk 4 software. We didn't have this in earlier versions of Arabesk, and here's how you do that. Go back to Context and click on New Button, and it makes this new button, and we can change the appearance of that and so forth and so on, but you have to bounce back and forth between a couple different menus. So I have to come down here to the buttons menu, and with this selected you can see the dashed dotted white and black line. I can position or move that over here, and then I can say, by going to button text, let's go ahead and type in menu, and this tells the audience by clicking on this button they will now go back to the main menu. There's one more thing you have to do, and that's go to buttons and tell the button, you're essentially programming it, what to do, how to behave when it is clicked on. It can either start this chapter, a specific chapter, and you can see there's a whole bunch of capabilities here. You can go back to the previous page if you have more than one page of chapter menus. You can go to the next page, the subsequent page, but here's what I want, to go to the title menu. Those of you who have purchased and benefited from my Casablanca Foolproof Volume 2 tutorial, where I go through all the capabilities and all the buttons in Arabesk 4 software, and there are a lot of them, know that I like to make 2 buttons here, one to go to the main menu and one to start the movie. So you can have a separate button here that will launch and play back all this content, so it'll play everything without having to pick a specific chapter. But here we want it to go to the title menu, the top menu, or the main menu. And that's all there is to it. So it's a very cool way. And again, you can dress this up, you can change the font, you can change the appearance of the button, and all of that is covered in my Casablanca Foolproof Volume 2 Arabesk Intensive. You can order that DVD today in my online store at CasablancaExpert.com. Thanks for joining me.